clouds in Trafalgar. The general synopsis at midday. Low 40s, 1002 losing its identity. 1002 losing its identity by midday tomorrow. High Biscay 1027. Expected Central Europe 1029 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, north of Sarah, south of Sarah. Increasing 5 at times. Showers, good, occasionally poor. 40s, cyclonic 4 or 5, increasing 6 at times, becoming west or southwest 3 or 4. Showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Cromarty, 4th, Tyne, Dogger. West or southwest 3 or 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in 4th, becoming variable 3 or 4 at times. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, German Bight, Humber. West or southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first. Showers, thundery, except in Humber, good, occasionally poor. Thames, Dover, White. West or southwest 5 or 6, occasionally 7 at first. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Portland, Plymouth. West or southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, becoming variable 3 or 4 later. Occasional rain at first, good, occasionally poor at first. Biscay, variable 3 or 4, becoming easterly 5 or 6 in south, fair, good. Southeast Fitzroy, variable 3 in west, otherwise northerly or northeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, fair, good. Northwest Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon. Westerly or southwesterly 4 or 5, increasing 6 at times, occasionally 7 at first, except in Irish Sea. Occasional rain or showers, thundery in Irish Sea, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey. East or southeast veering west or southwest 5 or 6, increasing 7 at times in Rockall and Bailey. Occasional rain or showers, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Ferrol, Faroes. East or southeast veering southwest later 4 or 5, increasing 6 at times in Faroes. Showers, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Southeast Iceland, easterly or northeasterly 5 to 7, perhaps gay late later in northwest. Occasional rain or showers, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. And that completes the shipping forecast here on BBC Radio 4. Let's turn our attention now to the general weather, and we're joined by Jay Wynn.
Thanks, Neil. Well, overall, it was a better second part of the weekend with lighter winds and fewer showers. However, we have seen a weather system come in from the Atlantic that's bringing some rain this evening. At the moment, the rain is stretching from Brighton through Birmingham and up towards Belfast, and all points west of that likely to see further rain on and off overnight. The broad area of rain, though, moving its way northwards and eastwards, so overnight we will see some rain in Scotland and many eastern parts of England. By the end of the night, actually in northern England, that rain could be quite heavy. Quite a warm night, particularly so for England and Wales, 16, 17 degrees, fairly humid, 15 or so in Scotland and in Northern Ireland. Now into Monday, and overall it is an improving story. In Scotland, it'll be a damp start to the day for many. The northwest of Scotland stays a bit wet into the afternoon, but Glasgow should dry up and maybe brighten up, but the eastern side of Scotland has a much better chance of seeing some sunshine by the afternoon, and we'll see temperatures getting up to around about 20 degrees in Aberdeen. In Northern Ireland, it'll be a cloudy start to the day with some early light rain and drizzle, but it should dry up and brighten up into the afternoon with a top temperature around about 19 or 20 degrees in Belfast. And in Wales, generally, it's going to be a rather grey day with rain on and off, some low cloud and some fog on the hills. Some eastern parts of Wales might brighten up a little bit into the afternoon. In Cardiff, probably staying a bit cloudy, but still get temperature around about 21 degrees. And in England, it's a wet start for northern England. Some morning rain too for the Midlands, but by afternoon, most places will be dry. And the northeast of England should see some sunshine, 21 degrees in Newcastle and a humid 25 in London. Tuesday, rain in Scotland and Northern Ireland, with some sunshine and some heat for England and Wales.
Jay Wynn, many thanks, Jay, with the weather. This is BBC Radio 4 with the news coming up shortly, to be followed at 6:15 by Pick of the Week, a selection of the past week's radio highlights. The presenter this evening, Christian.